Yes, yes. You explain what is the idea of doing the calculation, not saying that what is the number and so on. Who is presenting experiment 2?
Huh? Sir, what was your question?
Well, I have asked question. I want you to present your experiment 2, your data presentation.
Oh, okay. Data. How do I just read or yeah.
Is Iqbal saying something? I cannot hear at all.
So it's a line slow just now.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So experiment 2 is flow rate measurement with interferometer. So what kan belum lah tengok. Pergi next slide, Nel. Okay. So this is the data. The top one is the data we get from the experiment. So the first column is the actual flow rate. The second column is the height of the water in the first tube, and the HB is the height of the water in the second tube. HC is the height of the third tube, and HD is the height of the water in the fourth tube. HE is the height for the fifth tube, and the HF is the height of the water for sixth tube. So below, table below is the results. So the first one is the actual flow rate. So the second one is the differences between the height of water in the tube A minus the height of water in the tube C in terms of meter.
So Iqbal, my question is, what is going on in there?
What is going on?
What are we doing?
We are calculating the error percentage from calculated flow rate from the actual flow rate that we are using.
Oh, so the error is between which one and which one?
Error is between QI and QAV.
Are you sure it's QI or calculated?
Okay.
to be calculated and QAV kan? Ya kah? So
QI and calculated.
another question I think I will address to Daniel. I already asked you question already, right? So I need to address to Petrus. So Petrus got QI already. Why need to do calculated flow rate again? You think about it first. Just now Iqbal already answered my question. I forgot what question is that already. How you calculate error? Which one and which one? Do you have calculator with you? Go and try. How do you get the 2.7 error? From which one minus which one divide by which one?
Okay, sir. Wait, sir. I take my calculator first.
Oh, Petrus, you already do the calculation.
Not yet, sir.
Petrus, I'm asking you another question, kan? You prepare for that question first.
To calculate the error is QAV minus QI.
QAV minus QI divide by
100.
why divide 100?
No. Okay. To calculate the error, sir, QAV minus calculated flow rate over QI and timer 100, sir.
Over QI, error supposed to be QAV minus calculated divide by QAV. Or divide by QI is quite funny lah. It's not logical at all because we need to compare with the actual. Error is we want to compare our calculated or our ideal case compared to the actual one. Okay.
Okay.
So just now my question is, you already got QI. Why you need to do the calculated flow rate again? Go back to the previous slide and previous slide. Oh, that is in experiment 1. Okay, go to experiment 1. The data in experiment 1. Okay. The one with the line. Okay, you can see that the line here. Okay, the data is dotted dots are the data, and then it is drawing a straight line. So the dotted is the actual. Okay, then the best fit line, the straight line there, y equals to 0.9961 is the sort of ideal. Okay. Okay, so the actual experiment data is not passing through the line exactly, or the line is not passing through all the data exactly. It has little deviation lah. That's why it is not 1-to-1. It's not y equals to x. It is y equals to 0.99 almost to 1x. Okay, so you can say small error like 0.003 like that, 39. Okay, so in order to get the error for each data point, so you need to find the calculated value on the y equals to 0.9961 on that line. Okay, that is the calculated value. If this line is not straight line, it is something very messy with pro r square. Perhaps it is the r square less than 0.99 is perhaps is 0.8 something. Okay, then the calculated value becomes more. It's like a model for this calculation lah. Okay, I hope you understand what I say. If not, also doesn't matter because I have no pen, no board to show you what I was trying to say. Okay, but there is something with graph lah. Perhaps in degree or your master PhD, you will know more about this technique. Okay, just brief to you only. There is reason why they have QI and then they do Q calculated. Slightly different. The number, if you see, it is slightly different because they are actually quite the same. If you don't do that, also never mind. But there is a reason for doing that. Okay. All right. So I guess that's all for the presentation. What I want you to do, remember, send me the 2 video link. Preferably you send me to the YouTube and then you key in your attendance. Okay.
Okay.
And the future experiment presentation also another 3 again, also similar like this. So you prepare somehow you have to understand everything in there, and I won't listen to everything you say. Perhaps 3 experiments, I only choose 1 like that. And we can finish all the groups lah. I have 20 groups ka. You have three ABC kan? ABC.
Yes.
So 12 groups. So I try to do it faster. Okay. Similar pattern or the another 3 experiment. All right. So that's all. Thank you very much. Goodbye.